What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're headed into Dunham Sports. I'm trying to find some mock scrape gel or juice or something, see what they got. I've never used this stuff before. So just got a recommendation from a buddy of mine about this stuff called Hodak or Hudak. It's an all-season gel. He's using the rope, but I got probably 7 mock scrapes in the wood, so let's see what they got here at Dunham's. Let's see what they got in here. Actually, in the wrong section. Here we go. Let's see what they got. Just hold that. And if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comment section, please. I've never used this stuff before. Definitely not a rope kind of guy. I like to use vines myself. Definitely think it's more realistic. Let's see if they got this whole bag screw heat. I got enough for the dough and heat, dough eustress, power scrape. So I don't see the Hodak, but I definitely got a lot of other stuff I can use. Let's see what we got. I ain't using no rope-a-dope. And any natural mock scrape. Man, you guys kill me with these ropes. Scrape starter. Zip bag. I like to find something that I can just apply it once or twice. I definitely don't want to do a drip bag for a scrape. I think that's a little weird. But Derek probably think that's a little weird as well. The one thing I will say is I do like this Wildlife Research Center. I do like a lot of their products. I wish we had a price on here. That would be nice. Scrape dripper. Come this don't have no price on it. I think I like this one. See the application. Set up your rope. Use a cable tied to and attached to the top of your rope to a branch or post. Mix your scent in a clean, wide mouth, resealable container. Dip the lower end of the scent mixture. Additional instructions and information inside. I really wish they had a price on here. Tinks is a really good brand as well. You doing all right here, my friend? Yeah, man. Could I get a price on this? Okay. Appreciate it.
Can I get a price tag?
See what else they got. Scent foam. No, price correct rope. Raging Eustress. I think I'm gonna go with that. Success combo. OP trophy bod going, but that's pretty cool. We're looking for mock scrapes. Already got all that. Hot scrape. Hot scrape. Plastic core spectrum scrape scent. All engineered. Pine cover scent.
024-641-003-916. Thank you, buddy.
No, sorry, I appreciate it. That's the winner. Appreciate it, man. All right. All right, thanks, man. $21.99. We definitely got a winner. Turn back around, let you guys see. Again, we're going with the Wildlife Research Center products. I really like this product. It's called the Golden Rope Scent Rope Kit. I already read the application. It's pretty easy. I will not be using the rope. And I'm going to go with that. And I also want to go with different cover scent. I already got the nose jammer. You don't know about that, real good product. Works really well. Let's keep this scent. Get some Fox urine. Another Wildlife Research product. Never used this stuff before. Okay. There you have it. I'm just kind of looking around. I do need another tree stand step. Might even grab two. And one from the crossbow. One from me as well. Oh, I think that's it. Speed bag's good. I just ordered the Primo can. Got the extra long can. Let me get out of here. I'm spending $1,000 in diamonds. Got my licks. Not I'm gonna do the corn. I won't be doing that stuff until my food products mature. I don't want the deers over interested in my woods just yet. My food products ain't even finished growing, so let's get it. Stay tuned. So we just spent 38 bucks at Dunham's. Got a dog named Denim. But just spent 38 bucks at Dunham's. I think I'm all situated for hunting season for the most part. I gotta go find something to feed myself so I don't starve. But you know, priorities first, baby. Can't let the deers down. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. I will be shooting another video on the application as well, showing you guys my mock scrapes in the woods. So definitely stay tuned. Please make sure you like and subscribe to Apex Predators. Take care.
They talk a lot. They say they that, they woke it at. They say they this, they making chills. They cakes legit, don't bow the block and cow the cat.